This is the Hawaiian Islands. This is the island of Oahu. This is Waikiki. This is Diamond Head Crater. This is a bike route from Waikiki to Diamond Head Crater. This is at the corner of Kalakaua Avenue and Kapahulu Avenue. Now on Montserrat Avenue. Diamond Head Crater is a volcanic cone on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. It was formed about 300,000 years ago by a single, explosive eruption that sent ash and fire particles into the air. The crater covers 350 acres and has a height of about 232 meters. It is a popular hiking destination that offers breathtaking views of Waikiki, Honolulu, and the Pacific Ocean. It also has a military history as it was used as a coastal defense station in the early 1900s. Now on Diamond Head Road. Reservations required for out-of-state visitors. Diamond Head Crater is open daily 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Hiking fee is $5 per person. Parking fee is $10 per car. This is the tunnel to inside the crater. A hike to the top of the crater is about 1 mile or 1.6 kilometers. At the summit top, there is spectacular panoramic view of Waikiki. Pay entrance fee at this booth. There is a park inside Diamond Head crater. This is a panoramic view from the center of the crater.